of your pets when they are sick. I take care of your pets when they are sick. Who am I? Yes, I am veterinarian. I am veterinarian. Next, I build houses and buildings. I build houses and buildings. Who am I? I am constructor. I am constructor. Next, I work in a bakery. I work in a bakery. I make bread and cakes. Who am I? I am a baker. I am a baker. Next is I grow food for you to eat. I raise animals for meat, milk, and eggs. Who am I? I am farmer. I am farmer. Next, I fix cars that have broken down. I fix cars when they have broken down. Who am I? Yes, I am mechanic. I am mechanic. Next is I take care of sick people. I help doctors keep you well. I help doctors keep you well. Who am I? Nurse. Yes, I am nurse. I am nurse. Next is I make meals in a restaurant. I make meals in a restaurant. Who am I? Cook. Yes, I am cook. I am cook. Next is I read prescriptions from your doctor and give you the medicine. I read prescription from your doctor and give you the medicine. Who am I? Yes, I am pharmacist. I am pharmacist. I give you medicines. So students,